Live streaming using Google Meet. Live streaming is a method of allowing people to join your meetings in a view-only capacity. Excellent for when a meeting is one way, so people don't have to worry about switching off their webcams or muting their microphones. This video will show you how to set up a meeting in such a way so that you can have a combination of people joining a meet as usual and joining via live stream just to watch and listen. To begin, set up a Google Meet as usual. Using your calendar, click the time you wish to schedule your event, give it a name, and click to add Google Meet video conferencing. Then, click this drop-down button to view conference details, and you will see a button to add live stream. Once you have done that, click Save. Clicking back on the event, you will see a link to join the meeting as usual, as well as a live stream meet. You could send this calendar invite out, but people would be able to click whichever one they choose. To avoid this, you could just send them the link and a reminder of the time, but there is a neater method. Click the Edit button, followed by More Actions. Click the option to create View on the event, and save. Now your calendar has two matching events, but one is labeled live stream. As you can see, this event now only has the option to watch the live stream rather than join the meeting, so you can safely share this with your viewers. The other event still has the option to join, so this is the one you would send to participants of the meeting. When you are ready to start your meeting, begin as usual. You will see a prompt at the top of the screen reminding you to start streaming. Click this and you will be asked to ensure that everybody in the meeting is comfortable with it being streamed. Ensure that they are, and press Start. Once the live button turns red, your meeting is now live for those watching using the live stream link. Proceed with the meeting as usual, and when you are finished, remember to turn off the streaming in the More options in the bottom right hand corner.